The holiday season is here, and nothing gets us in the festive spirit like the soft glow of Christmas lights. Whether you're preparing your home for family gatherings or simply adding a bit of holiday magic, Christmas lights are the perfect way to set the mood. They illuminate our homes with a sense of warmth, joy, and excitement, transforming everyday spaces into holiday wonderlands. In this video, we're going to explore a variety of Christmas light decoration ideas that will inspire you to brighten up your home inside and out. From classic strands to creative lighting designs, there's no shortage of ways to bring the magic of Christmas into your home. Let's dive into the sparkling world of Christmas lights and explore how to make this holiday season glow. Christmas lights are often considered the centerpiece of holiday decor, creating an immediate sense of warmth and festivity. Whether they twinkle like stars or glow in soft hues, the lights you choose can set the tone for the entire holiday season. The beauty of Christmas lights is that they have the power to completely transform a space, both inside and out. From classic white lights to bold, multicolored strands, lights illuminate your home with joy and invite a sense of wonder that is synonymous with Christmas. When you start thinking about your Christmas lights, consider the ambience you want to create. If you prefer a more traditional look, soft white lights on your tree, along your mantle, or even as a backdrop for wreaths and garlands, can bring an elegant and cozy atmosphere. On the other hand, if you enjoy a festive, cheerful vibe, multicolored lights are perfect for filling your space with brightness and energy. Both styles offer a different mood, and there's no right or wrong way to decorate. It all depends on your personal preferences and the atmosphere you want to create. The placement of your lights is another key factor. Inside the home, you can drape lights around the tree, mantle, and even furniture or doorways. These tiny lights can bring a magical, dreamy atmosphere to any room. For your outdoor decorations, the sky's the limit. Wrap trees, bushes, and even the entire house in strands of lights to create an enchanting winter wonderland. Many homeowners choose to add LED lights for their energy efficiency and bright, vivid colors. You can even use lights to outline walkways, add a touch of glow to outdoor furniture, or line your porch rails to make the entrance to your home even more inviting. If these Christmas light decoration ideas helped you light up your holiday season, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love creating a magical Christmas ambience. Choosing the right type of Christmas lights for various spaces is crucial to achieving a cohesive, beautiful look. Let's explore the different kinds of lights that can be used both inside and outside your home. Indoor Christmas lights. When decorating indoors, it's essential to consider both the size of the space and the kind of atmosphere you're trying to create. For small spaces, consider using string lights in delicate patterns, maybe even in mason jars or along shelves. These subtle touches can provide a soft glow without overwhelming the room. For larger spaces, such as living rooms or dining areas, you might want to use larger strands or even curtain lights that can cover wide areas to make the room feel brighter and more festive. Fairy lights are a very popular indoor choice for creating a magical ambience. These tiny, delicate lights often come on thin, bendable wires and can be used creatively in many different ways. Wrap them around a picture frame, place them inside glass vases, or even hang them along the windowsills for a whimsical touch. For a more bold and colorful look, you might opt for traditional multicolored lights or larger, vintage-style bulbs that stand out against your walls. Incorporating string lights with a particular theme, such as star-shaped or snowflake-shaped bulbs, adds a unique and personalized touch to your decor. Outdoor Christmas lights. Outside, Christmas lights are often used to create a dramatic effect that's visible from the street. The most common option for outdoor lighting is the classic string light, available in both clear and colored bulbs. These can be used to outline windows, doors, or roofs, creating a grand, festive appearance. If you want to go all out, wrap lights around trees, fences, or bushes in your front yard, or even around garden statues for a stunning, illuminated display. Another popular option is LED net lighting, which makes covering shrubs or bushes a breeze. Simply drape the net over the greenery, and the lights are automatically spread out in a uniform pattern. For more creative designs, you can use projector lights, which can cast patterns of snowflakes, stars, or other festive imagery across your yard or on the side of your home. There are also hanging lights such as icicle lights that can be draped along roof lines to mimic the effect of falling snow. Lastly, solar-powered lights are a great choice for eco-conscious decorators. These lights absorb energy during the day and automatically turn on at night, making them ideal for outdoor displays. They are available in a variety of styles, from traditional string lights to decorative sculptures that glow softly in the yard. What's your favorite way to use Christmas lights in your decor? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to illuminate your home this holiday season. Christmas lights don't have to just be strung along walls or placed around trees. You can use them in a variety of creative ways to add depth and style to your holiday decor. From unexpected locations to creative pairings, here are some fun ideas to make your space even more festive. Lighted Christmas wreaths and garlands. Wreaths and garlands are a staple of holiday decorations, but adding lights to these timeless pieces can really elevate their appeal. Consider hanging a lighted wreath on your front door or over your fireplace mantle. The lights will catch the greenery and any additional ornaments, creating a sparkling centerpiece for your room. Lighted garlands can be draped along staircases, banisters, or above windows for a warm and inviting look. The lights within the garlands offer a subtle glow that pairs well with traditional candles or festive ribbons. DIY lighted decorations. If you enjoy crafting and adding personal touches to your home, consider using Christmas lights in your DIY projects. Create a light-up centerpiece by placing fairy lights inside a glass jar, vase, or lantern. You can also string lights along a table runner or centerpiece to bring a soft, glowing warmth to your holiday meals. A fun idea is to create a photo display by clipping your favorite holiday photos to a string of lights. This adds a sentimental touch to your decor while also filling the space with light. You could even use the lights to frame a family photo or a beloved holiday quote. Light up Christmas figures and sculptures. Another creative way to incorporate Christmas lights into your decor is through illuminated sculptures or figures. Light up reindeer, Santa Claus, or snowman figures can make charming additions to your lawn or entrance. They can be placed in strategic positions where they will stand out, adding a whimsical touch to the overall display. These figures are available in various sizes, from small, tabletop sculptures to large, inflatable characters that create an eye-catching outdoor display. For more festive decoration tips and holiday inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you're always updated with our latest videos. While Christmas lights add beauty and warmth to our homes, it's important to keep safety in mind when decorating. Proper installation and maintenance of your lights can help ensure that your display stays safe throughout the season. Check for damaged lights. Before setting up your lights, always inspect the wires and bulbs for any signs of wear and tear. Frayed wires or broken bulbs can pose a fire hazard, so it's essential to replace any damaged lights before using them. Additionally, if you're using outdoor lights, be sure that they are rated for outdoor use. Indoor lights can't withstand the elements, so it's important to use lights specifically designed for outdoor use when decorating your yard or porch. Avoid overloading circuits. It's easy to get carried away with your decorations, but be cautious when plugging in multiple strands of lights. Overloading electrical circuits can increase the risk of fires. Be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions to know how many strands of lights can be safely connected to a single outlet. If you plan to decorate both inside and outside, consider using separate power sources for each area, or invest in extension cords designed to handle the load. Use energy-efficient LED lights. If you want to save on electricity costs, switch to energy-efficient LED lights. LED lights use up to 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, making them a more eco-friendly choice. These lights also last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. With so many color options and styles available, you can still achieve the same dazzling effect with a fraction of the energy consumption. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for even more ideas on how to create the perfect holiday atmosphere in your home, from lights to tree decorations. As we wrap up, It's clear that Christmas lights have the ability to elevate the festive spirit in your home, whether you're decorating a small space or transforming your entire yard. Want to recreate the Christmas light looks shown in today's video? Head to the description for links to all the featured products, so you can light up your home this holiday season. From classic strands to more creative setups, the possibilities are endless.